Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a project share using PandaHall Selected's paper collection that's called With Love. I'll link it down below. I decided to make like a little bit of a storybook, or like, you know, those children's board book mini album for my aunt who has 3 grandchildren. So I won't have the pictures in them, but I did want to show you what it looks like. And these 6x6 paper pads are perfect. It's the perfect size to fit your 4x6, your 3x5 or collage pictures, and that you can print out on your selfie, for example, printer or Canon Ivy like my daughter does. She uses that. But before I do the flip through, I wanted to show you quickly how to create these pages with a paper hinge binding, no sewing involved. It is so easy. I love making this. So you would cut a 1 inch by 6 inch paper, fold it in half, so you have about ½ inch on each side, and all you do is apply some glue. So I would, hold on, excuse the band-aid, glue it here, and I would put that right on top. And then apply your glue on the other ½ inch. And put your other page. And just line it up. I usually leave a little bit of a gap just for the fold. And then I would fold it over. Make sure that is varnished so it's easy for opening. This one needs a little bit of an adjustment. Here you go. So fold that. And then we would create the other page. So I have my other hinge here. And look how adorable these papers are. I mean, I love the bunnies. And Corn from Cornflower Crafts was saying that it did look retro, like it was from the 90s. Or the 80s for the patterns, and I agree, they do remind me so much of the kind of colorings that they had. They're a little bit more pastel and subdued and super cute. Oh my gosh. So again, just put some glue. And the beauty of this type of binding is that the pages lay flat, and it is so awesome. So you fold it over like this. So the next part is to connect the pages. So I fold this guy. So this, you would put glue and stick it on top of the other one. So let's do that. Now you can use double-side tape or any other adhesive that you would like. But just to show you real quickly what it would look like to put these pages together. This is a really fun and easy way to use your 6x6 paper pads and create a fun little mini album or journal, like a memory keepsake, in just minutes. It's like so fun. So here it is, guys. In just a few minutes you've put your pages together, and you can add more as you go. And I love it so much because it really lays flat, which is awesome. And then for the cover, what I do is I would add another little piece of cardstock just to give you that storyboard or board book feel to it, and then add your 6x6 pattern paper on top. You can decorate it with these adorable cut-aparts. I have some of this that I had left over, and I think that would make a great little belly band. So you could lay it out like this. So now let me show you what my mini board book memory keeper looks like. So I decided to make a little bit of a shabby chic memory keepsake for my aunt who has 3 adorable grandchildren. It's Logan, Autumn, and Colin, and I can't wait to print out their pictures and put it in here. So on the cover we have the beautiful blue, and I've layered it with another one here, several layers. This is a cut apart and it says with love. I did some fabric ruffle stitching here and put some colorful buttons, and I think these go well with the pattern paper. We have some lace here, and then on the back it's just plain. My aunt also likes that aesthetic, so I thought she would like this. So now as you flip it open again, I love how it lays flat and adorable. Print here with the bunny and the birds. We have a little photo mat. I used my little floral die cut and got this cut apart out of one of the papers. And then we have a button, little flat back, some lace so she can put a photo. For this one, I did leave this open so she could essentially tuck something here, or I tuck a picture and put it there as the layout. We have this other one. This was a cut apart and it was a wreath, and when I turned it over, it looks like a letter C for Colin, so I'm going to put a picture of Colin here, and then maybe one of Autumn here. But look at how cute this all blends in. This beautiful fabric was gifted to me by my crafty friend BB from BB's Closet Creation, so thank you. And then we have more of these little photo mats, so you can also mix match it with your current collections, and it works really well. So I put a little brighter color here to make it pop, and you have the beautiful background paper there, and then some flowers here, and then I just use some lace. Here's another one. I think I love it. And then this Hobby Lobby lace goes well with the gray tones and the pinks. And then we have the back. So it's a really cute, easy project to make. I just love this paper, so if you are interested, I'll make sure to link it down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.